idea, the biggest motorbike in the world is 20 foot long. Ours is 30 foot long. Our motorbike, and their motorbike weighs in at 3 tonne. Give you some idea, just one of my tyres with the rims weighs 3 tonne. We weigh in at just on 14 tonne. And of course we're built to smash over cars. So it's a full tear a bit of gear. And we run the V6 Detroit and an Allison Auto, running through a truck diff that we've modified so we can run a chain and sprocket on either side to keep it more authentic as a motorbike as we possibly can.